Yeah, guys, welcome back to another stream. Smash that thumbs up button as soon as you join. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Let's start off with some pull-ups, shall we? Smash that thumbs up button, guys, as soon as you join. All right. All right, guys, smash that thumbs up button. How much reps should we start off with? Let's go. Let's get it. 2 more sets. Smash that thumbs up as soon as you join. A meditation.
I'm here, Dago.
Yeah.
Oh, today I'm on see me. I'll shoot on next video. Let me just upload the one day. And I will shoot the next one. You dey live?
Yeah.
Sure, ask that. You should know. She don't ask that question. What question you ask?
I don't know none of that.
Wake the fuck up.
All right, so now for some skull crushers. So everyone join as soon as you join the live stream, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Hello from Argentina. Awesome, awesome, nice. Welcome, welcome. All right, so we're currently training tricep. Greetings from Germany, all right? All right, so smash that thumbs up button, all right? Hello from India, all right, nice. Hey, Wilson. You know, if you had from the camera right here, buddy. You're already there, you're not worried about that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And even if I can't afford proper equipment, that's not gonna stop me from working out. That right there is a excuse. Only a loser think like that. I don't think like that. Hello from Spain. Hello Spain. Welcome to the stream. Smash that thumbs up. From Swiss. Is that Switzerland? How old are you? I'm 28. Hit that thumbs up. Let's get it. I have a video I want to do in the future, you see? I want to share the more do one at a time where you get like one big iron and put a couple of them black on each side. And do like, and you know, I will give me it. You're there around there. So. And while I lie down, you'll give me it. And it'll come so. So if I want, then I'm a short video, you can do one at a time. Normally I just push up or dips me do for chest, but I just want to do that one shot one at a time. Have the idea for a while, you know. I want that gloves over here, but this we choose you. Yeah. Switzerland, awesome, nice. Love that mindset. That's all. That's the mindset we should all have, man. Don't find any excuse. You know, excuse is always the easy way out. Hey, Erden, what's good? Hey, Richard, thank you, appreciate that, All right, guys, smash that thumbs up. Crazy thing is, I only eat one meal today already, but it was more than enough. You know, solid calories and protein. Two more, then we're gonna hit some skull crushers. Alright guys, as soon as you tap in, smash a thumbs up button. Hide for the camera. One more set to go. Don't subscribe, thank you, appreciate that. Everyone watching, if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, man. It's all about motivation, inspiration daily. Jamaica, yeah. What's your favorite color? Skittle? Don't subscribe from Argentina. Thank you, appreciate that. Welcome. Let's smash that thumbs up. Alright, anyone watching, haven't hit that thumbs up already. Come on. Sometimes most people have to hit the button to go live, then we just wait until like a few hundred a night, but over 50 and I'll go up and start workout already. Is Montego Bay far from me? Yeah, a good distance. About I think like 3 hours drive. One more set, let's get it. Yo, hey, Donald, I don't really, honestly, I don't really mess with Skittles, man. I don't know nothing about Skittles, to be honest. G joined the stream, didn't even say, yo Wes, what's good? How your day going, fam? Yeah, David, watch out, bro, watch out. Like and subscribe, thank you. speak a little bit Spanish? No, I don't. As soon as you join, smash that thumbs up if you haven't already, alright? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you subscribe already, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Yes, I am. Go on, do a look at something you can. Can you give me the iron now? Let's do this. Or you can just go and use yourself anyway. Start out with that one. I'll show you on here. No, bench press, man, just do. This guy, you definitely, I don't think, I don't know, you're probably talking to the other guy in the chat, right? Definitely. Hopefully I need to break that cycle and go to bed early again. You can't sleep early. I don't want to put my wings. Don't be no back. I'm giving it. Everyone, give some like. Thank you, man. Appreciate that, man. We got 66 people in here. It's all good. All right. As soon as you guys tapping in, just smash that thumbs up button. All right. How you doing, man? I'm doing good. He's from Jamaica. Yeah. Oh, you used to work out in Cuba. All right. So make sure it's really wide. Oh man, y'all go wrong. That's weird. Yeah. All right. Oh, my head would. Respect. Why are you so muscular? Got 70 people, 8 people in here, okay? Alright, just keep smashing that thumbs up as soon as you join. Yeah, man. It's all about consistency, you know? Because right now, to be honest, I lost a lot of weight because I cut down on meals. Cut down from 5 meals a day to like 2, most time 1. Different discipline, alright. Gym equipment is perfect. There's no excuse, I'm working with what I have. Alright. So I know. This alright, make us be still where I say that. Yeah, smash that thumbs up, man. Appreciate you all joining. consider subscribing to the channel, alright? If you subscribe already, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the journey of motivation, inspiration. What's your time? It's 4:22 p.m. Alright, Maddie. You ready? Alright, man. Bop. 2 more sets with this one. I subscribe already, bro. Thank you. Appreciate that. Blessings. Yeah. Your Bosky. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good, man. 83 people in here. All right. Smash that thumbs up. All right. Subscribe, man. 2 more sets with this one. Next thing I get another one live. I'll be happy. If you're really talkative. Yeah, happy. Me use them gloves there every door. That's why them done, you know. Thicker one, them won't find say they work better. Small bar. All of us who come from poor countries have that experience. Circumstances make you who you are, eh? Circumstances. For real, man, for real. Growing up with that pressure and that roughness from a young age definitely is beneficial, right? Give it that fire. Make you physical from an early age. Alright. One more. Oh yeah, hold on. How much set we do with this already? Only one? I think only one, yes. Alright, respect. Alright, one more set with this chat, then we're gonna add some more weight. Alright. 102 people in here. Alright, so where are you? I'm in Jamaica, man. Love to send me something. I got super chat. So if you want to support, you can super chat something. I also got a link in the description if you want to become a member, support monthly to the channel. So you are motivation. Thank you. Yeah. Oh. Yo, Dog of War, what's good, man? Stephen, Wagwan. David Goggins? Oh, nah, man. I respect him though. I got a lot of respect for him. David is David, and Wes is Wes. I'm missing. No way. Help. Yeah. Yeah, chat. Time to add some more weight now. All right, so hardcore gains. All right, smash that thumbs up. One more like right there, and we hit 30. Hit that thumbs up, guys. You watching that live stream now?
Here one there.
Yeah.
Never look if you see a light.
Oh. Tampo. He's a lifter. Nah, man. It's my cousin, man. Despacito. Erden. Yeah, Erden was good. All right, smash that thumbs up button. Let's get this money. I keep forget the hand no big like truck. We call it routine or skull pressure. Let's get that money, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. How we doing? How we doing here? Hey, yo, Johnny. 555. What's good? What's good? Yo, David, I hope you're lifting today, bro. All right? It's no excuse, man. You always try to find some excuses to justify not working out. But you can't live your life like that, bro. You don't discipline. You can't ramp with your discipline. You can't take it for any joke. Yeah, man. Yes, again. You want to lift up one? Yeah, man. Make this step on the left side. Yeah, Let's get this money. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe. If you're brand new to the channel, if you already subscribed, man, thank you. Welcome. Straight the bug up in that ear, look straight. Bop. Good to go. Yep. Let's get this cash. All right, respect. That's non-balance.
Yeah, but yes, okay. You like that.
First set, always less. Most of them are to wake up the most of some time, guys. That's my cousin. You lifting tonight for sure? Your shoulder is okay? Nice, nice. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, hell yeah. What will you eat today? So this morning I eat some fried chicken, French fried chicken, and brown stew chicken with some rice and peas. And a lot of carrot and cabbage, sweet pepper, and some Irish potato. So later on, I'm looking to eat some more. Might as well again. If we finish early, which me do it. Could have shot on a good shot this evening, but find out better when you shot them in a light. People can see the thumbnail quicker.
Yeah, because
you get more views out there. Unfortunately, not care how valuable your shot is, or how crazy, and it dark. Some of the time, I guess, it depends on, but no fitness, I think you work for. Over some more. Whoa, that feels so good, chat. Whoo! Yeah. Smash that thumbs up. 4 more likes to get 40 likes. Come on, guys. We can do much better. Smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. All right. 4 more. Why not try whitey YouTube? Everyone talk with the live stream. No, I don't want the street that they gave me convo. So the convo man are live on here. But do it man in the stream on it. And go fast. Quick. What's up? There's somebody like me around, even crazier. Hell yeah. Thomas Harley, what's good? Let's get this money, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up. One of them, when I'm there, I work out, I lift them all the while and I just come down so with them and
Yes, good.
but yeah, it's kind of more if you feel like if you do something, you just do something while them, you know. Yeah. Let's get this money, chat. Smash that thumbs up button. I don't know, bro. I want to do a bench press real bad, bro. But the thing is, I don't know if that's interesting. Might do it, I know. Use a big iron away like this and put like 3 to 4 black on the side. May that be. May that pull out there and do it. I'm gonna give it down and see what we can live. No, make it that. Make it that. Oh man, I mean that pull it. I'm not going to ask if you do it.
No, man, say.
Yo, Donald, respect. Respect for that super chat. Oh, that light, man. What is it? Say light. Light, man. But I just want to do a skull pressure with you now.
Oh.
You say light? Yeah, that's why yes. Take your hand with that stick to some bench press. What is about that one there? Hold on. Don't leave here today, but I can't taste what when you're ready. Alright guys, smash that thumbs up button. Let's get this money. Watching me from Wales. Oh, that's awesome, man. From Wales. Nice. Keep doing what you're doing. May God bless you. Thank you. Appreciate that. More, what you call motivation, huh? Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that. Remember, we got super chat, man. If you want to support. If you want to support or you get a shout out, remember we got super chat. All right, greetings from Germany. Welcome. Thank you. No, that's I forgot. Oh, higher with your hand now. You can't do that. All right. That's really wide. You come right there, so can you come right there with it? Man, respect. Oh yeah. Just tell me partly. This?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. That thing with this one. Alright, let's go again.
Beside them, man.
You know, so they don't really drop off, but I guess you have a lean look while. I never drop off from this, you know. Years, you know. Never. Only when we do, I lift them up, turn up and I lift them. And we drop one broke. Never drop from me this yet, I swear. Hold on. For regain and recharge.
Yeah, it's on there.
Hit that thumbs up, guys, yeah. You know, look like Sunday. You play ball?
Yeah.
Which ball?
I camp on the court.
Yeah. If you're going there, do your thing, man.
Keep two balls, but I sweat my day.
So you just walk down there?
I'm riding now. That's basket I'm riding down there.
Oh. What you have to do, man?
Bas no day, I'm not.
You can't think great in it. Move, very guys. What's up for you, Eddie?
InShot I use. I did have one next one I use, but
Use CapCut.
yeah, I did have that. But I think the reason I make tap use it because it's a charge a month or something like that. If you get certain
You used to use the paid version. I mean, a good while I use the paid version. I mean, I have to go back here. So you can't use it without it. Good.
because you can use music all the time. You don't video. You have to let them start through that. So you do it a month time. It's go and use this camera.
We have to do it, so I say.
That cost me.
Let's go. Whoa. Yo, this one is solid. We're gonna have to go again. From America. From India. My bad stream restarted, didn't see if I was doing it. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, alright? If you subscribe already, thank you. Appreciate it. Doing awesome stuff for us doing, thank you. Let's get it, guys, let's get it. We have to go again. From Jamaica. Best wishes from France. Yeah. We have to dig big. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from, man. I know we got people here from France, Germany, Wales, India, all over the world. Spain, Brazil. Is that Uzbekistan? USA, Canada, UK too, right? England. Woo! Yeah. Up. Ah. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Let's get that money. Is that Lithuania? Yeah. From Iran. Do you play Fortnite now? Big ups. Yeah. David, you wanted to see bench press, right? I don't know. Maybe some other time, bro. Maybe some other time, man. Because I have to pull the iron out of that thing with the wheel. All right. Yo, dog of war. Okay. Awesome. All right, guys. I see you. I see you. I see you. Yeah, let's drop the country name here because sometimes I don't really remember the flags, but let's drop the name of your country. Hey, yo, Junior. See you. It's good. Final set. Got a weird feeling today, man. baby now. Damn. Woo. I'll take that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe, all right? Let's get it. Six more likes for 60. Ooh, yeah. Let's get it, guys. Let's get this money. All right. All right, guys, let's get it. Yeah. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. As soon as you join, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Woo! Gotta love these routine, man. Gotta love them. Keys to bigger arms. Telling you. Yep. It is. Up. Is that 15? All right. 10 more likes for 70. Come on, let's get this money. Smash that thumbs up. Up. 20 on this side. 20 on the other side, chat. Come on. All right, so I'm gonna set this to, I'm gonna set the, let's get this money. Want your arm to look swole? Do this, guys, trust me. Check this out. Ooh. Let's get this money. Yep. Oh yeah. Smash that thumbs up button. 10 more. We can do it. 10 more. You sub? Thank you. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate it. Hey, yo, Frank. Whoo! That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. 4 more. 4 more. All right, chat, come on. We can do this. We can do this. Ah! Bro, I got a weird feeling today, man. Whoa. It's not about me. Anyone can get it, bro. It's all dedication, man. And the work you're putting in consistently. That's how it is, man. Anyone can get it. Anyone can get it. It's all about the mindset and how much you want it. And how far you're willing to go and show up every day. That's how it is, man. It's not about me. Whoo! Yeah, man, it's all about the dedication, man. To whatever we want to achieve or whatever we're doing. You know? We can achieve anything, my bro. Be consistent, put in the work daily. That's how it is, man. Ah, 8. All right, so we're targeting at least 12 now or 13 reps. All right, guys, let's get this money, man. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get this. Yeah. 13 on the other side, all right? Let's keep this screen bright. Here we go. Whew. What inspired you to do this? First off, when I was younger, before I even started working out, and I always want to look, I always want to be fit, to feel fit, and to be fit, you know, and to look muscular. So that's how it all started, man. And you know, I see people like John Cena, Arnold, Ronnie Coleman, and then I'm like, no, I'm definitely gonna have to start doing, you know, showing up and make this happen. And that's when I started. I'm working out. Start working out from 2017, and from there, never look back, man. It's I know I love working out, bro. It's a part of a part of my life. Wait, that was 7, right? Yeah. Let's get this money. Four more. All right. See that, guys? Key to getting big arms, bro. You have to pressure it, pump it till to the limit. You have to push, man. Do well with the pain. That's how you're gonna gain. Hey, Caroline, what's up? What's going on a Sunday? Ah! Ooh, yeah. 3 more. Ah! Okay, Caroline, I hear you. So what's for dinner? All right, guys, come on. 5 more likes. 5 more likes for 70, guys. Let's get it. Steak on the shrimp with yellow rice. Oh, delicious. Nice, nice. Wait, that was 10, right? I think. That was 10, right, guys? I'm not sure. All right. All right, guys. I'll be right back. All right. Be right back, guys. Whoa, whoa. All right, we're there now. It's been a while. Yes, I are, we're there. 2 more likes. Wow, go on. Nothing much. Not much now, go on. Let's set on some food right there to get ready up. All right, let's get it. What about we do some squats with this, guys? Most definitely. All right, let's put it to some good use, shall we? Thank you, yeah. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. All right. Yeah, guys, smash a thumbs up. Two more likes to get 70 likes. Come on. Two more. All right, so that right there is the conclusion for the day. Appreciate the support. Appreciate you guys. Remember to smash a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Catch y'all on another one, man. Remember, stay focused. All right. Keep putting in the hard work. Love you all. Catch y'all on another one. All right. One love.